This is Daisy Margaret.
In today's video, we are about to discuss Class 8, Unit 9, Matter Around Us, Part 2. Topics to be discussed: Symbols of elements, Greek symbols, alchemist symbols, Dalton symbols, Berzelius symbols, present system for determining symbols of the elements, and writing the symbols. Symbols of elements. A symbol is an image, object, etc. that stands for some meaning. For instance, a dove is a symbol of peace. Similarly, we denote mathematical operations by symbols. For example, plus denotes addition and minus denotes subtraction, etc. What is a symbol? Symbol, it is the image or object that stands for some meaning. For example, the dove, it is the symbol of peace. Similarly, we denote the mathematical operations by symbols. For example, plus for addition and minus for subtraction, and multiplication and division also we have some symbols. So symbol, it is an image or object that stands for some meaning. In the same way, in chemistry, each element is denoted by a symbol. Writing out the name of an element every time would become too troublesome, so the name of an element is represented by shortened form called as symbol. Let us learn the brief history of symbols of elements. So in the same way, in chemistry, each element, it is denoted by a symbol. So writing out the name for each element every time, that will be very difficult, so that they used symbols. So the name of the element, it is represented by a very short form, that is only is called as symbols. Now let us discuss the brief history of symbols of elements. The first one, Greek symbols. The symbols in the form of geometrical shapes were used by the ancient Greeks to represent the four basic elements around us, such as earth, air, fire, and water. The symbols in the form of geometrical shapes were used by the ancient Greeks. So the Greeks, they represented the four basic elements around us. So you can see here the symbols for earth, air, water, fire. It was used by the Greek ancients. So these are called as Greek symbols. So the symbols in the form of geometrical shapes were used by the ancient Greeks to represent the four basic elements around us, such as earth, air, fire, and water. So you can see here, this is the symbol for air, this is the symbol for water, and you can see here for earth and fire. The next one, alchemist symbols. What is alchemist? Alchemist, it represents a person who practices alchemy. Alchemy, it is nothing but it is an ancient practice that can be considered as a precursor to chemistry. That is, it is the transmutation of one substance into another. In the days of alchemists, different materials that people used were represented by different symbols, while they tried to change less valuable metal into gold. That process was alchemy, and the men who did this work were known as the alchemists. And the men who did this work were known as alchemists. Let us see the symbols used by the alchemists. So you can see here, this is the symbol for nickel, this is for arsenic, and this is for antimony, and this is for water. These are the symbols used by alchemists. Dalton symbols. In 1808, John Dalton, English scientist, tried to name various elements based on pictorial symbols. Those symbols are difficult to draw and hence they are not used. It is only of historical importance. So in 1808, John Dalton, he is a English scientist. So he tried to name the various elements based on the pictorial symbols. Okay, so these symbols were very difficult to draw, so that they were not used. So it is only for the historical importance. So you can see here, these are the Dalton symbols. So for hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon, sulfur, alumina, soda, potash, oxygen, copper, lead, water, ammonia, olefiant, carbonic acid, carbonic oxide, and sulfuric acid. So for these, they have given the symbols. So these symbols, they were very difficult to draw each and every time, so that they were not used. It is only for the historical importance. Berzelius symbols. In 1813, John Jacob Berzelius devised a system using letters of alphabet rather than signs. The modified version of Berzelius system follows under the heading System for Determining Symbols of Elements. Berzelius, he devised a system using letters of alphabet. So rather than signs, he used the letters of alphabet. So this modified version of Berzelius system, it is under the heading System for Determining Symbols of Elements. So you can see here in the picture, instead of the signs, they used the letters of alphabet. Present system for determining symbols of elements. The symbols of the most common elements, mainly non-metals, use the first letter of their English name. So example I have given below, you can see boron, oxygen, carbon, sulfur, and iodine. So the symbol of most of the common elements, that is mainly non-metals, they use the first letter of their English name. So you can see here, for boron it is B, for oxygen it is O, for carbon it is C, and for sulfur it is S, and for iodine it is simply I. So it uses the first letter of their English name. So you can see here the elements having first letter as symbol: boron B, carbon C, fluorine F, hydrogen H, iodine I, nitrogen N, oxygen O, phosphorus P, sulfur S, vanadium V, uranium U, yttrium Y. So these are the elements which have the first letter as symbol. If two elements have same first letter, then the first and the second letters of the name are used as symbols. The first letter is in uppercase and the second letter is in lowercase. So you can see here the examples. If two elements, they have the same first letter, then the first and the second letter of the name are used as symbols. The first letter, it will be in the uppercase, and the second letter, it will be in the lowercase. So let us see the elements with same first letter. Aluminium Al, barium Ba, beryllium Be, bismuth Bi, bromine Br. So you can see here the barium, beryllium, bismuth, bromine, all the elements starts with the same first letter. So the first letter we have mentioned in uppercase and the second letter we have mentioned in the lower case. So barium Ba, beryllium Be, bismuth Bi, bromine Br. And for cobalt it is Co, hydrogen H, helium He, nickel Ni, neon Ne, silicon Si, and for sulfur it is S. If the first two letters of the names of the elements are same, then the symbol consists of first letter and second or third letter of the English name that they do not have in common. So if the first two letters of the names of the elements are same, the symbol it consists of the first letter or second or third letter of the English name so that they do not have in common. So we can see the elements with same two letters. So you can see here argon and arsenic. So both of them has Ar and Ar in the starting. So the elements with the same two letters we have taken for argon as Ar, the first letter and the second letter. And for arsenic we have taken it as first letter and third letter As. You can see here for chlorine we have taken as Cl and for chromium we have taken as Cr. The same way calcium and cadmium. For calcium it is Ca and for cadmium it is Cd. For magnesium and manganese, for magnesium it is Mg and for manganese it is Mn. So these are the elements with same two letters. Fourth one, some symbols are used on the basis of their Greek name or Latin name of the elements. There are 11 such elements. So some of the elements other than these elements they use the Greek name and Latin name, the basis of Greek name and Latin name of the elements. So we have 11 elements, we can see them. Greek or Latin name of elements. So you can see here for sodium it is natrium, Latin name, and the symbol is Na. For potassium it is kalium, K. For iron it is ferrum, Fe. For copper it is cuprum, it is Cu. For silver it is argentinum, it is Ag. For gold the Latin name is aurum, the symbol is Au. For mercury it is hydrargyrum, it is Hg. For lead it is plumbum, it is Pb. For tin it is stannum, Sn. For antimony it is stibium, Sb. And for tungsten it is wolfram, W. The symbol for tungsten it is W. Some elements are named using the name of the country or scientist or color or mythological character or planet. So elements named using name of country, scientist and etc. Name, symbol and the name derived from is given. The first one it is americium, the symbol is Am, so it is the name derived from the country America. Second one europium, the symbol is Eu and it is also derived from the name of the country, it is EU. That is the name of the country is Europe. The next one, nobelium, it is No, so it is derived from the name of the scientist, that is Alfred Nobel. Next one, iodine, here it is derived from the color and Greek, okay, violet. Next one, mercury, so it is derived from the mythologic character, so it is god Mercury, so the symbol is Hg. Next, the elements plutonium, neptunium, and uranium. They are derived from the name of the planet Pluto, Neptune, and Uranus. The symbol for plutonium is Pu and neptunium is Np, and for uranium it is U. These are the elements named using the name of the country, scientist, mythologic character, color, and planet. Writing the symbols. While writing the symbol for an element, we should adhere the following rules. First one, if the element has a single English letter as a symbol, it should be written in capital letter. For elements having two letter symbols, the first letter should be in capital followed by small letter. So, when we write the symbol for an element, we should follow some rules. So, we should be sure that the symbol of an element is written like this. So, if the element has a single English letter as symbol, it should be written in capital letter. For the elements which has two letter symbols, the first letter it should be written in capital and followed by the small letter. So you can see many examples for the symbols which has the English letter as a symbol, single English letter as a symbol. For example, boron and carbon, we write only the capital letter B and C. For the elements which has two letter symbols, example aluminium, we write it as capital letter. The first letter is written in capital letter and followed by the second letter which is a small letter L. So for the aluminium the symbol is Al. So while writing the symbol for an element, these rules should be followed and we have to write the symbol for an element correctly. Summary of the video, we discussed about symbols of elements. So under that we discussed five things: Greek symbols, alchemist symbols, Dalton symbols, Berzelius symbols, and the present system for determining symbols of the elements. And finally we discussed about writing the symbols. In the next video, we are about to discuss the topics metals and non-metals, properties and uses of metals, properties and uses of non-metals, and finally differences between metals and non-metals. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.